everybody. This lesson today is going to be a review lesson, and we're going to review the vowels and the sounds they make and the vowel rules that we've learned, so that help us decide what sound they make in a word. Let's start off by singing our vowel song. And it's also the long, when you say their names, that's also the long sound of the vowel. Okay, let's start out. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. I know the vowel sounds of the alphabet. How about you? Those were the long sounds. Now let's try the short vowel sounds. A, I, A, A, I, A. I know the short vowel sounds of the alphabet. How about you? Now I'm going to point to a vowel and I want you to tell me what it says. Ah. Eh. Ah. Eh. Eh. That one can be hard. A lot of children get these two mixed up. Eh and eh. Eh, I drop my chin. Eh, I grin. Eh is for I. Eh, I drop my chin. The E, eh, I grin. Okay, very good. Now we're going to review our syllable rules, our vowel rules, sorry. We're going to start off with our consonant-vowel-consonant pattern. And this rule says that when we have a short word with a vowel and a consonant after it, the vowel is short. And this is the symbol that is used for that. And now we can sound it out. Now that we know what sound, we've broken the code. So let's sound it out. M. What's the word? Man. Man is the word. Okay, let's go to this one. We have a vowel with a consonant after it. So we know the vowel is what? Short. Sound it out. What's it make? Say it faster. Faster. What is it? Top. Top. Very good. All right, that was the first vowel rule we learned. So when we have, just remember, when we have one vowel with a consonant after it, the vowel is short. All the other vowel rules are actually using long vowels. So let's look at this one. We've learned that when we have two vowels together, the first one says his name and is long. The second one is quiet, silent. So here we have two vowels, double vowels. The first O gets to talk. So sound it out. T. Toe. The E doesn't get to talk at all, does it? Toe. Look at the next one. Which vowel gets to say his name? O. Which one can't talk? A. Sound it out. What is it? Oat. And the last one. See the two vowels? He talks. What's the word? Say it faster. And faster. What is it? Soap. Soap. Very good. That was our second rule. Now our third vowel rule is very similar. We sometimes we have a consonant separating the two vowels. We call it a vowel-consonant-silent E rule or pattern. Here you can see a vowel, a consonant, and a silent E, which is also a vowel. That makes the first one again say his name. So let's send it out. R. What's the word? Rake. E doesn't get to talk, does it? Okay, now let's go to the next one. What's this word going to be? Did you figure out that this I gets to talk and say his name? Try it again. Say it faster. What is it? Bike. Bike. Okay, let's go to the last one here. Here we have our two vowels. You got to zero in on those vowels, detectives. Okay, this one says his name. Ooh, what is that word? It's a little longer. What is it? Did you get it? Globe. Globe. A globe is a little model of the earth, isn't it? Okay, so this is just like the double vowel rule, but the vowels are separated with a consonant in the middle. There's a consonant in the middle of them. Okay, and our last rule is when we have a vowel with no consonant after it, the vowel is short, or long. Long. It's open, so it's long. And I put a long line above it to show it's long. Okay, what's this word? Makes what? We. Okay, what's this one going to make? He. He. Very good. It's going to be long again. Doesn't have a consonant after it, so what is it? B. You need to be on time. Very good. Those are all the vowel rules we've had to date. So keep practicing them in your stories. Try to read all words that you can sound out with those vowel patterns. Okay, I'll see you later. Bye-bye.